What you're looking at might look like a cat, but it's actually more closely related to mongooses, and it's a predator Abiot Island deserves. Foozers live in Madagascar, but they're only the size of a large house cat, weighing up to 9 kilograms, whereas other ecosystems have apex predator the size of a bear or lion, which really puts into perspective how weird Madagascar's ecosystem is. But not too long ago, it was home to giant foozers, weighing up to 20 kilograms, twice the size of today's foozers, and is specialized in giant lemurs, which are now extinct too. Because when humans arrived on the island around 1400, we cleared the island of all giant lemurs, and with them, the giant foozers went. Modern foozers still have some quirks though. During mating season, a female climbs a tree and waits until the males gather beneath and call for her, hoping that they get picked. When she feels like it, she picks one or several and has her babies, only to return to the very same tree during the next mating season. Even among the animals of Madagascar, the foozer is unique, but even more so among the apex predators.